Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. So I thought of making a quick video about the Big Billion Day sales. So we have a Big Billion Day sale from 3rd of October to 10th of October. So in Flipkart, and there are a lot of offers are going with the Axis and ICICI credit card or debit. So the thing that I noticed and weird is I was searching for a tablets. So when I search for a tablet, there are a lot of tablets are going in. We have something in Lenovo and TCL, those things are happening. So the recently launched Realme tab is looking good. So what I searched is Realme tablet. Okay, so we have Realme tablet with 4GB variant and 3GB variant. So both are having a Wi-Fi and 4G. So if you can see that the price of the 4G 64 is 18,000 and the price of 3GB 32GB is 15,000, 3,000 difference. So I was searching, okay, I'm in tight budget, so I can't buy this 18,000. So what I will do is I will just go and buy 15,000 one. So the price is 15,000. So when I search in, I have options in different credit cards. So I'm searching, they don't have the credit card which I have. They have ICICI and Axis Bank. So I have to purchase with the straight amount, which is the 15,000, right? So I'm searching for more offers, and we have a different offers. So 4,000 offer in Axis Bank credit card, so that is fine. And what I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and purchase it. So this is the important part. The price of the 3GB 32GB is 15,000. So I was searching for offer, there is no offer. So even if I have an Axis Bank card or ICICI card, I will get 10%, which is 1,500. So 14,999 minus yes, you will get it for 13,500 rupees at the end, even if you get any offer. This is where the things get tricky. So the at final price it will be like 13,500. So 1,500 is less. So when we go for a 4GB variant, we have a lot of bank offers. It looks same like Axis and ICICI and all, but here is a catch. When you go for a buy now, the price is same, and I'm just continuing. So here is the important part. So here is a tricky thing. If you have thinking, okay, it is 13,500 rupees at the end if you have a Axis or ICICI credit card and you don't have the card. So what I'm doing is I'm just searching for a higher end model which is 18,000. So if you have a debit card of HDFC, you will get 2,000 discount. But the good thing is if you come over here, you have a UPay option. If you select that, and you have a PhonePe app. So if you select that PhonePe app, you will get instant 4,000 discount, which is lesser than the amount of the 3GB variant. How is this? So when people are searching for, okay, so this is 3,000 higher and end, but in the reality, when you have apps like this, it is good to buy with the 500 difference with the 4GB and 64GB variant. So these offers mostly covers with products which have a more than 15k price budget. So for example, if you are having a mobile device that you want to buy, so there are two options, 6GB and 4GB variant. So if the 6GB variant is 16,000 and the 4GB variant is 14,500 or something, 1,500 difference, if you buy it in 16,000 model, you will get a price same as the 4GB variant, sometimes lesser than that, even without applying any offer. So when purchasing it, especially with the Flipkart app or Flipkart a Big Billion Day sale, you just make sure that you are searching for all the payment option to get the best price. It's getting little tricky even in my case. So that's what I thought to make it as a quick video. So hope you will find it useful. So yeah, bye. Quote motto.